welcome back to Tech Idea. In my today's video, I'll be showing you how you can set a blank profile picture for your Facebook. But before proceeding with today's video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new. Now open your preferred browser and log into your Facebook. Go to your profile from your left hand side and click on your profile picture. Click on view profile picture, and now from your right hand side click on this three dot icon, and from the drop down menu select delete photo, following by delete again. By deleting your current profile picture, you have successfully set a blank profile picture. I hope my video was informative. Comment and let us know your thoughts and queries. Suggest us if you have any requests for our new videos. Subscribe to our channel to learn more and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new.